students get problem in the preparation of bakelite. The formula for phenol is benzene ring with that of a OH group, and the formaldehyde is HCHO. It can be written as CH2O. The reaction takes place either in the presence of acid or in the presence of base. Now, there will be formation of para ortho hydroxy methylphenol OH CH2 OH. From where this H has come? This benzene ring is CH, 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 CH. This H has come from the benzene ring and this has been written as CH2OH. This is orthohydroxymethylphenol plus there will be para hydroxymethylphenol plus 2,4,6 trihydroxymethylphenol. Now, the reaction of this orthohydroxymethylphenol is done with each other. There is a release of water. Let me show you how this reaction is taking place. Suppose there are two molecules of orthohydroxymethylphenol which will be written like this OH CH2 OH. It is CH. Now there will be elimination of water molecule and they will combine together by CH2. There will be a formation of a chain which is known by the name of Novolec, in which various molecules remain joined with each other by that of a CH2, and this is known by the name of Novolec. This Novolec will react with formaldehyde. When the Novolec will react with formaldehyde, there will be formation of bakelite OH CH2 then CH2 in between, and then there is a OH CH2, then it is only written like this OH. These are joined together by CH2 and there will be formation of bakelite. The last one is melamine formaldehyde resin. The reaction of melamine is done with formaldehyde. It is very easy to learn the formula of melamine. There are alternatively 3 nitrogen with that of a 3NH2 group. They will react together with that of a formaldehyde. The formaldehyde is written as CH2O. Again, when it is attached, one of the hydrogen will come here and it will become NH-CH2OH. The polymerization will be taking place and the melamine polymer will be formed. You practice all these formulas. Most of the time monomers of these are being asked or formula is being asked. The next revision will be for rubber and biodegradable polymers.